If you're struggling to install ANSYS 2026 or can't find a guide that actually works, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to download and install ANSYS Student 2026 step by step. No confusion, no errors, and no unnecessary talk. Whether you're new to FEA or switching from Abacus or SolidWorks, by the end of this video, you'll have the ANSYS 2026 fully installed and ready to run your first simulation. Let's get started. Right, you just need to search ANSYS Student version and it takes you to this website. You can select download ANSYS Student here, then it takes you here. As you see, you can download the Student 2026 R1. So click on it and save it in the folder you like. In the meanwhile, if you have ANSYS 2025 installed on this computer, you need to go and delete that one. So let's do that. In the search bar here, search for Workbench 2025 R2, then open the file location, and here we have uninstall ANSYS 2025 R2. So double click on it and wait for it. Click yes. We have a new window here and we have to go all the way down to see if there's anything to do. So there's next and you have to wait. Easy as that. You can uninstall ANSYS Workbench 2025. And after you're done, it shows you uninstallation complete. Please review above information. We can click on the process log. If we go up all the way, and you can monitor the time. So we started at 1921 and it ended on 1930. So you know it takes like 9 minutes. Then we can exit this one. And now there's time to reboot your computer. Okay, now download is completed. Let's open the folder. You need to extract the file here. If you try to install it without extracting, you would get the error unable to detect the installed product. So it is very important to extract it. You can use a WinRAR to extract it, or you can use Windows. So if you're using WinRAR, you can click on this one and extract here, and it tries to extract it. Or if you don't have the WinRAR, you can right click on it and here extract all, click on it, and then you can choose a folder and click on extract. So we wait for it. It takes a while. And there we go, it is extracted. Now let's try to click on the setup. We need to right click on it and run as administrator. Click on yes. Now we have this window. This is legal. We can come all the way down and reading this. I agree to the terms and next. Now you need to create the installation directory path. I accept the default and click on next and wait for the installation to be completed. In the meanwhile, I want to ask you a favor. If you enjoyed this video so far, please drop a comment for me down below. That's totally free for you, but it helps me a lot to grow and make more videos like this. If you want to support the channel more, you can click on this link to buy me a coffee, or you can click on here and the thanks button. There's another way to do that, is to join the channel. Thank you very much. Now finally the installation is over. Let's go and see how long it took. 1950, and here we have 2022. It took almost half an hour. That's a lot, but finally it's done. Let's see if it opens. So we exit this one because this is finished, and now we need to search for Workbench. So we have Workbench 2026 R1. If you don't have it on your computer, I'm showing the path to you here. So if I right click on it and open file location, it takes me to here. If you have installed it in the default folder, this should be Drive C, Program Files, ANSYS INC, ANSYS Student, version 26.1, Framework, bin, Win64. And we have Run WB2, so I double click on it. Now we have ANSYS 2026 R1, and there we go. This is ANSYS Workbench, and as you see, it works. If we double click on Static General, we have the engineering data, which is the materials properties, and here we have the geometry. Let's see what geometry modeler we have here. So in this case, you need to click on Tools and Options, and here in the geometry import, as you see, the preferred geometry editor is Design Modeler, and we have ANSYS Space Claim. We don't have ANSYS Discovery anymore. So I want to put this on ANSYS Space Claim and click on OK. And let's double click on the geometry and click on Allow. And yeah, there we go. We have ANSYS Space Claim ready to create our first simulation. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn ANSYS, click on the video on screen before it ends, and I see you there. Stay tuned.